Inside a modern adhesive manufacturing facility, chemistry, engineering, and precision production come together to create one of India's best-known synthetic resin adhesives, Fevicol.
Here, production takes place on an industrial scale, where every stage is monitored for consistency, safety, and performance.
The first major component is carefully charged into the reactor, forming the initial base of the adhesive batch. Next, the controlled aqueous component enters the same reactor. This brings the batch to the next stage of processing. A measured processing additive is introduced next. Precision dosing helps maintain the required characteristics of the developing adhesive batch. With the final controlled addition complete, the batch is ready for intensive mixing, where the individual components will be brought together into a uniform adhesive. Now the real transformation begins. Inside the massive reactor, powerful agitators circulate the batch continuously, bringing the processed components into a uniform adhesive mixture. Industrial sensors continuously track critical process conditions, allowing operators to keep each batch within parameters.
Batch 04 is looking stable.
Copy that.
After primary processing, the adhesive is transferred under controlled conditions. Its consistency is checked before packaging.
Once approved, the finished adhesive is held under controlled conditions until it is ready for high-speed filling. From the processing hall, the finished adhesive travels through enclosed transfer lines toward the automated packaging section.
Clean containers enter the packaging line continuously, where automated systems prepare them for precise filling.
Now the finished adhesive enters its familiar container, with automated filling systems delivering a controlled quantity into every bucket.
Inside each container, the adhesive settles into a smooth, uniform mass as the fill level rises to its specified quantity.
With the adhesive filled, each container is automatically sealed to protect the product during storage and transport. The finished containers are then identified and inspected before leaving the packaging line. Smaller consumer packs are filled on a separate high-speed line, allowing the same finished adhesive to reach different packaging formats. Each bottle is then closed with a precision-fitted cap before final inspection. From a single production batch, the adhesive becomes thousands of finished consumer packs, moving through a coordinated industrial system